Bird. Come on, it's better for you.
Here he comes.
Oh!
Wait,
Oh, buddy.
he's on top of him. On top, on top, on top. Where is he?
He's right by Ty's foot.
Hey, buddy.
Grab him, Ty.
See, he can't fly very well, I don't think.
Stu, ready?
Okay, so you have a heart attack.
Oh man, I almost had that. Come here!
There you go. Okay, now's your chance to get him. There you go.
Wait, I'm gonna smash him.
Was there sun on there?
Gonna bomb it. Yeah, I'll stay under him. I'll put them into the bag. Yeah, here, I don't want to move.
Did I get him?
Nope.
Over the top.
There you go.
Did you get him?
No, right here.
Oh, so close.
Oh, you were so close.
Oh, damn, I almost got him.
He's on the table. He's on the table.
There's this little tiny hole. He got out of it over here on the left. Yeah.
God.
This is the funniest thing. I have to.
I think I got him. No, I got him.
You got it.
There you go!
You can just close it.
Oh!
This is the funniest thing.
Nope.
Down here.
Oh, shoot.
Hey, there you go. Come on, girl.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Get a box.
That's smart.
Throw a box.
There you go.
Nice! Now what?
Now. Oh, shoot.
Oh.
They'll put the
I
bag
just
on
slide
top
it.
of the box.
Now, wait. You gotta put like a slide something underneath it.
Oh, he's coming out oh my gosh, he is.
He obviously does yoga.
He's been training the art of trash bag escaping.
He's gonna get tired at some point.
I'm tired. He's. We can get him in the trash bag and just tie him up.
Oh man, don't go there, buddy.
Look, you bird. Get in the damn trash can.
Okay, I didn't think that.
He's in there. Now stay there, Ian. Don't move.
Wait.
All day. Wait, here.
This is hilarious.
Pull the liner out.
Well, I've only got one end of it.
Teamwork.
Right.
I've only got this side.
Here, give me something to sit on. I can go the other side. I'm gonna slide it towards you. Can you get the liner off on your side?
Good top still.
Okay. You guys slide the liner down at the same time.
Okay. You ready?
Hang on. Maybe because I'm holding the thing. Maybe you should grab it.
I got this.
All right. Ready? Slide it down. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Pull it away. It's in there at the bottom.
All right, I'll take
All
mine.
right.
All
Yes.
right.
Woohoo! Gotta get the ending.
Come on, let's go. Red Freeze is gonna fall and die.
All right, are we good?
Yeah, you know, it took a minute or so. Will you buzz us back in? Sure. All right. You ready, Alex?
Yes, I'm ready for this release. Go free, go free.
There you go.
Yay!
Woohoo!
You can fly fine.
Where did he go from?
He was in the newsroom conference. Like, obviously. I mean, as easy as that, you know?
Yeah.
Back to the meeting.